So this is our setup with the winch. A pulley up to the truck. All right, this is where I'm at. After that hike down 6K, Kyle's up there. We're gonna try and winch this up and hopefully somehow get out of here. Okay.
How you doing? You okay?
Yeah. Okay. Okay, hold it there.
Need a little more?
Nope. Okay, so we're straight up, but the back wheel is off to the side. I'm gonna take off this other box.
Okay.
And
I want a photo of this before we get all torn down too.
yeah, and well, you're gonna see the
video, yeah.
see the video too. Yeah.
This isn't fun. I don't know what is.
I thought it might have ripped through, but it hasn't.
Nice.
So now I've got a whole crew. The bike is just spewing oil, and if we can't get it through with all these guys, then yeah.
You bumped into the right people though, at least.
Yeah, definitely bumped into the right people.
Okay, let's go.
All right, we've made it through a lot of the toughest section, and now we got mud and gonna have to try and tow through, and there's an uphill and a downhill, and then I should be good. These guys have been invaluable. There's gonna be a lot of beers for them.
You worked hard for those beers. You don't want to work it off that early.
Somehow I managed to find on the off-road club guys. We got the bike through the worst part of it. Now we're gonna head back to their cabin about 30K down the road, and they got some guys there, might be able to effect some repairs. But we're back on the road, but this trip's pretty much done. Just gonna be heading home.
Working?
Well, I said this would be the end of these boots, and yesterday when I was hiking out, the sole came off. Yeah, it's definitely the end of them. So we might be burning them in the fire tonight. Everybody here for the boot burning. All right, I've had these boots for 12 years. The sole's finally gone. I said they probably weren't going to make it through this trip, so here they go into the fire. The ceremonial boot burn.
Gas on there.
Oh, fuck, gas.
Really?
Sacrifice.
And there they go, the sacrifice to the boot gods. They got me almost all the way home.
Those things walked a long mile.
Well, only 6K yesterday. Yeah. What's that?
What size are your boots?
9.
I got a nice pair. I got a fucking
What?
awesome pair of Fox motorcycles.
Really?
Yeah, they're only $3 grand. No.
3 grand, eh?
$20.
Yeah. Well, they're done.
I'm gonna ride back in flip-flops.
That's right.
Your bike in there too?
Okay. Well, it was almost. It was. That's where it was gonna be.
One day at a time, Scott.
Oh fuck.
The whole thing up, dude.
On the bike's gone too.
That's why I gave it to you when I unplugged the ears.
Yeah.
Fuck you.
Yeah.
It's supposed to be a surprise.
Good morning. Just got all packed up at the cabin with the guys that helped me get out yesterday. The bike's in a little rough shape, but still running. And did some repairs on it yesterday. Had to fix the foot peg, so that snapped off, so we got a bolt on there. And now I've got about 120k on the logging road, which should just be a real logging road until we get to Pemberton, and then it's just highway home. So get suited up and we'll hit the road. Okay, we're off. Ah. Jesus Christ. What happened there? The bolt came out. Oh, yeah? Well, the only thing holding it up is the strap. Oh, yeah. And the frame finally snapped on this bouncy road, and that bolt came out there, so the whole thing was just hanging by the bag strap. But luckily the same guys that saved me yesterday came by. We had some bolts that fit perfectly, and now we're tightened up, and only about another 10k on the dirt bouncy road, and then we're on to pavement. This is Pemberton, and wow, what a trip, guys. Well, we got, like I said, just over 7,600 kilometers. I am beat up, exhausted. Gotta get in, have a nice shower, and then I'll have a look at the bike and effect some repairs, and then see where we go from there. I really want to thank everyone for watching. All right, we'll see you in a bit. Fuck. Holy fuck. There was no warning.